Hi, you find me about to embark on my 2021 PC build, so I thought I'd make a video, nothing too serious, a bit of fun, everyone seems to be doing it. So as you can probably guess, I'm not a professional blogger or a YouTuber or any of this, so I think I'm talking to you via a webcam that I found at the back of a drawer after about 10 years. It seems to be doing quite a good job at the minute. Yeah, so anyway, I think this will be my fourth build from scratch in the last 20 years since I've been building PCs. Obviously I've been upgrading and things like that, but this will be my fourth total complete from the ground up build. And it's going to be probably in honour of my late father, who we were lucky as kids, my older brother and I got into computing sort of mid-80s really, with the Spectrums and the Acorns, the computers you've probably never even heard of. And Dad always supported us with that. So we were very lucky as kids. So tragically my dad was diagnosed with lung cancer in summer 18, and he passed away January 2019. And I said to him, Dad, if you ever leave me any money, like a little nest egg, anything like that, some of it's going to go on the most ridiculously powerful PC that I can build. And he turned to me and said, yeah, I thought it might. So this is going to be that build. So I say I'm not going to do anything. It's a bit more of a blog for me, a bit, that sort of thing. It's not going to be a marketing thing or anything like that. So as I go through the build, I'll make a few more videos, why I've chosen that product over that, or why I've gone for this and not for that sort of thing. So yeah, it's all here now. As you can see, I'll go through all of these as I make more videos and I go further forwards with the build. But yeah, let's find out whether I can get this baby together.